Viper one-way replacement remote. 5-button remote control. Up to 1/2 mile range. Lock, unlock and start your vehicle remotely with the touch of a button. Viper System Compatibility. 3606 volts, 4606 volts, 5606 volts, 3706 volts, 3806 volts, 4706 volts, 4806 volts, 5706 volts, 5806 volts, 9656 volts, 9756 volts, 9856 volts. With up to 1/2 mile, this is an additional or replacement remote for your Viper security and remote start system. Check the system compatibility to see if this replacement remote will work with your Viper system. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Bought to replace my broken remote. If you follow the directions exactly, it can be paired. I have a 2010 Malibu. Great.